Hello, Craft Knight. What are you doing? Are you choosing a present for your friend Daft Knight? No, too dangerous. That is way too small. Uh-oh, I think you broke it. Ooh, I wonder what it is. Hello, Daft Knight. Is that a present from Craft Knight? Is it heavy? Does it make a noise? Can we open it? What is it? What does it feel like? Oh, what colour is it? Is it shiny? What is it? It's a chainmail shirt. It looks good, Daft Knight. Maybe the people watching might like to try this too. Can you put something special in a box? Your friends and family can try and guess what it is. You can also make your own helmet, shield, horse and lance and become a knight too. Bye for now, Daft Knight.